Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of coconut cream pie. This pie has biscuit base, coconut custard and topped with whipped cream. Without further ado, let's get started. The main ingredient to make this dessert is canned coconut cream and coconut milk. I would highly recommend to use store-bought canned coconut cream and milk. These are available in Amazon and I'll leave the link in the description below. I have taken an 8-inch pie mold. Pie mold will have a detachable bottom. This is 3-inch pie mold, so I'm going to set this dessert in these two pie molds. Grease the mold nicely with butter. For the biscuit base, I have powdered 40 marigold biscuits. I have taken more quantity since I'm going to set this dessert in two molds. Add in 120 grams of melted butter. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. Add in the butter little by little and mix it. It should be of sandy texture, so you could see it resembles like sand. To the greased pie mold, add in the biscuit mix. Spread it gently and cover the entire pie mold. Press it nicely along the sides of the mold. The first layer, which is the biscuit base, is ready now. Set this in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the coconut custard. In a saucepan, take 1/3 cup of corn flour. Add in half cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add in 1 cup of milk. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Now add in 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of coconut cream. Switch on the flame and cook it at very low flame. Stir in continuously and make sure the mix doesn't curdle. Take 2 egg yolks and add in a ladle of hot custard mix. This is how we have to temper the eggs while adding into the custard mix. Mix it nicely and add into the custard mix. If you add directly the egg yolks means there are lots of chances of forming the lumps. Mix it gently and cook it at low flame. Corn flour and the eggs will thicken the custard. If you are vegetarian means you can skip adding egg yolks. You could see the coconut custard is thickening. Finally, add in half a cup of desiccated coconut. If your custard has lumps means you can strain it and then add in the desiccated coconut. This should be the texture of the coconut custard. Well, this coconut custard is so delicious and you can have it as such. Switch off the flame and add in 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. If you have coconut essence means you can add that. Delicious coconut custard is ready now. I have taken the biscuit base out of the refrigerator. Add in the coconut custard immediately on top of the biscuit base. Shake it slightly so that it spreads evenly on the pie mold. I have filled in the coconut custard into these pie molds. Cover it with cling film and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Make sure the cling film touches the custard so that it doesn't form skin. Let the custard set in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, I'm going to whip the whipping cream. Here I have taken half a cup of cold whipping cream. Add in 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. Beat it nicely using an electric beater. Coconut whipping cream is ready now. Coconut custard has set perfectly in the refrigerator. Here I have toasted half a cup of desiccated coconut. Now cover the pie with the coconut whipping cream. Level it evenly with a spatula. Sprinkle some toasted desiccated coconut as needed. This is the mini coconut cream pie. Beautiful looking flavorful coconut cream pie is ready now. If you like coconut flavor, you will definitely enjoy this dessert. Do try this coconut cream pie and share me the feedback. I'll slice a piece of it and show how beautifully it has turned out. The three layers are clearly visible now: biscuit base, coconut custard and whipped cream. If you try this recipe, share me the pictures in my Instagram or Facebook account. Look at the texture of the pie. This is so creamy, rich and full of coconut flavor. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.